as it is a Marlboro, man. It is currently, I do not know, 11:58 a.m. So we'll just say it's about noon. A few things I want to say. One, I am not related or associated with Marlboro cigarettes. I am just a Marlboro smoker. Yeah. This is my channel, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I will be posting more. I guess I'll smoke a couple different kinds of brands of Marlboro. I mean, right now I'm smoking Marlboro Reds. You got Marlboro Black, Marlboro Black 100s, Marlboro Black Menthol, Marlboro Red 100s, Special Blends, Lights, bunch of different kinds. I mean, I like Marlboro. Tastes good. I do not condone smoking. It is very bad for you. Yeah, y'all enjoy.